Hey everyone, this is Toys Unlocked, and we are about to open day 11 of the LEGO Friends Advent Calendar, which has a present on it, which means today is extra special, or actually, it's just a little train. But hey, at least it's a cute train, right? Alright everyone, great news. Holly has said we can level up from building rubber ducks to building little tiny trains. Oh, I'm so excited. But before we build the train, we of course have to build the table to put our train on. And thankfully this is simple enough that even I can't mess it up. Okay, let's put the little paint pot on with the little tiny paintbrush, and we'll paint the legs of the table purple. That's how they ended up with that bright color. They were brown. I jazzed them up. Okay, now we're going to make the actual train, and I love that they use little roller skates to do this. It's such a clever use of parts, and it's so effective. They're just the right size. And of course the gold looks great with the green and the red. Now this is truly a Christmassy build. I am feeling festive. I'm so merry right now, and it's because of the little tiny smokestack, and then the place where the engineer, the driver, conductor sits, whatever it is. And okay, I think that's it. That's the little train. And now we can just make it go toot toot. Oh, I guess it's chugga chugga, right? Chugga chugga around the table. And yeah, that looks wonderful. I think even Holly approves of how well we managed to build that. And Emma has to come in for a closer look. Oh, she's very impressed with our handiwork. As am I. This train is really, really cute. But you all know that I don't make the rules. Clarence makes the rules, and he rules that he needs to sit on the train. So let's just see what it looks like. And yep, that's about as cute as I thought it would be, which is to say, very. Thanks for coming by, everyone. We'll see you tomorrow for day 11 of the LEGO Friends Advent Calendar build. Until we build again, bye all.